Now, after we have seen the character formatting and dot format method, let's have a look at F strings, which are formatted string literals. They were introduced in Python from version 3.6. So usually, if you have to declare a F string, then the string will just have the F letter at the beginning, followed by the string, and then the values, the placeholders, are still represented by curly braces. So let's take this example. Say we have three names, Arav, Avantik, and Vihan, and say we want to use F string and put the values Arav, Avantik, and Vihan in the same order. So the names are given into a list names, and we can access them using the indexation. So names 0, names 1, and names 2 are the reference to Arav, Avantik, and Vihan. Same thing if we would have done using dot format, then yeah, rather than having F at the beginning, we would have dot format at the and then we would have passed this argument. So you can see more or less it is similar, right? So let me print this. So list of toppers are Avantika Vihan. Now, as we start getting more and more into this, we can see it provides a lot more handle. For example, now rather than having these three values, I can simply use the join as we've already seen, right? We can join the elements of a list by this join, and this is the separator. So let's run it. I'll just uncomment it so you can see it's so easy, right? We can actually access the list or any other uh, variable which we want, and I can play with it using different methods. Or for example, if we just want to use very simple operators, so we can just use the plus and say sum of 5 and 5 is whatever we want to print. Now, suppose if this would have been a string, or if it would have been dot format, then you will see it's not that handy as what you see here in fstring. Also note that fstring would always be little more faster than other literals, and it's much more precise. So most of the time you will see the people who are new to Python and who are not what should I say, stereotyped, if I can say so, with character formatting or say dot format, you will find them most of the time using F strings. So with that, we have seen string formatting using three different types: character, dot format, and F string. Now in next section, we will cover the type conversions.